world's first 3D printed concrete houses that people will live inside are coming to the Netherlands. In the city of Eindhoven, the realization of the first of 5 planned 3D printed concrete houses will start this year. The project, called Project Milestone, is a world's first, as the houses will all be occupied. The project will be realized in the Eindhoven city expansion area Meerhoven over the next 5 years. The first house, which will be a single floor house, is expected to be ready for occupation in the first half of 2019. The other 4 houses will be multi-story houses. The concrete dwellings will be subject to all the regular building regulations and will meet the demands of current day occupants concerning comfort, layout, quality and pricing. The design of the houses is based on erratic blocks in a green landscape. The irregular shape of the buildings can be realized thanks to one of the key features of the 3D printing, the ability to construct almost any shape. The design aims at a high level of quality and sustainability. For example, the houses will not have a natural gas connection, which is quite rare in the Netherlands. During the project, research on concrete printing will be done for new innovations. The 5 houses will be built consecutively, so every time these innovations and all lessons learned can be applied in the next house. The building elements of the first house will all be printed by the concrete printer at the university. It is the intention to gradually shift the whole construction work to the construction site. The last house will be fully realized on site, including the print work. Eindhoven is a hotspot for 3D concrete printing. The research group recently printed world's first 3D printed concrete bridge for cyclists in the village of Zermatt. 3D printing of concrete is a potential game changer in the building industry. Besides the ability to construct almost any shape, it also enables architects to design very fine concrete structures. Another new possibility is to print all kinds, qualities and colors of concrete, all in a single product. This enables integration of all sorts of functions in one and the same building element. Also, it becomes easy to incorporate individual wishes for every single house at minimum extra costs. Another important advantage is sustainability, as much less concrete is needed and hence much less cement, which reduces the CO2 emissions originating from cement production.